Welcome to my channel. Ngayon ay nandito kami sa Bangkok and magbabanding lang kami ng family. No? So malapit lang dito yung gigimikan namin. So dito lang sa Irish pub. So maghihintay lang kami sa baba. Sa lobby ng 8:55. Kung sinong gustong sumama, free sila. Kasi free day namin tomorrow. So walang pasok. So yun, travel day namin kanina. From Singapore to Bangkok. So, ngayon, ayan, banding lang kami. First banding namin for the past few months of Asia tour. So, ngayon lang kami magbabanding kakasama. So, kaya yun, ayan, itubig ng inag, kain na lang, or ano lang sila ng soft drinks, sama-sama kami. Diba? So, yun, 8:55. Kung tingnan natin kung sino sasama. Ganon, ha? Sige. Okay. We'll be waiting for them here at the lobby. Ayan na pala. We're waiting for ano? Haruna. Hindi na, ganito na lang.
Tara na, nandun na si Brian.
Si Haruna.
Si Haruna.
Waiting tayo ng Haruna. Ayan, nandito kami sa
Sila
lobby.
po ba?
Oo, 8:55. Hindi ko alam. Katulog siguro.
Punta ba siya?
Oo, sige, tayo natin. That's Haruna. It is his birthday by March 31st, so advanced birthday party for Haruna. So yes, let's go girls. So let's go. Yes. Ayan, malapit lang naman.
Picture muna kami dito. Kami tatlo kuya, picture kami tatlo kuya.
Ayan,
Please. Dito oh. Kuya,
Picture daw
please.
kami. Saan?
Dito tayo dito.
Saan? Dito talaga, hindi doon sa...
Kapit kuya.
Sige. Ayan na, malapit lang kasi dito yung ano namin. Ay, may banda. May banda pala. So, yun. Malapit lang.
Ayan na si Brian.
Wow.
What's up?
Nice.
Wash up.
Mash up.
อันนี้มันคันทริกตรงไหน
Gabi siya?
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Haruna, you're in charge of the cake. You serve cake.
In any of your videos, what is your channel on YouTube?
Friends and Ferials. I will send it to you, the link. Okay, thank you, Nako. That's Nako. Leo, thank you. We had a great
Prince
time.
Nako just showed up.
Prince Nako. Okay. We had a great time. Maribik is a great time. Everybody has a great time. Thank you very much.
La verdad,
Those
sí me dormí.
people who came to my birthday celebration. Very much our bosses. here as well. Thank you. And that's all, folks. That's all my celebration here in Bangkok. So, ayan na, malapit ang aming hotel room. Hotel namin. It's walking distance. So, madali lang. Kahit medyo ngingin na kami. Ayan. Nandiyan lang yung hotel namin. The Nova Hotel. Diyan kami. So, thank you. Dito po nagtatapos ang aking birthday celebration for this 2026. And I hope you like all my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Francine Terrio. I'm signing off here in Bangkok, Thailand. Bye-bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.